Today we have for you the 2015 Keystone Outback 277RL. This unit is approximately 27 feet on the interior, 31 feet in total length, accounting for the tongue and bumper. You do have a nice pass-through storage compartment, aluminum frame, so pressing on all the walls, aluminum frame, fiberglass exterior, some additional storage. Your slides for this unit are on the non-camp side. You only have 2 of them. On the camp side, you do not have a slide. The other door to your pass-through storage compartment. Have your manual awning, 2 entrances, outside cooking area. This is a 2 burner propane cooktop, toss pan, access to hot and cold water. Entire unit folds back in. Let's head in through the rear living entrance as we come into the travel trailer. It is a rear living, so you do have 2 rocker seats in the rear, large windows towards the rear, all 3 sides. Good amount of storage in your pass-through compartment. As you can see, it goes all the way through. Right across you have your sofa with additional overhead storage. Your booth sit-across dinette that also turns into a bed. This sofa also folds out into a bed. Your front entertainment area. Check out all these windows on this slide. Plenty of avenues for natural light to come in. Across from the dining and seating area, you do have your kitchen. A lot of storage compartments, all of your materials. Deep sink, the residential faucet, nice matching cover, storage underneath your sink, as well as deep storage above. Microwave, fan, 3 burner propane cooktop with your small RV oven. Some additional storage underneath the oven. Your RV fridge operating off of both propane and electric. It's the freezer portion, the refrigerator portion. Your pantry storage, very deep storage, easily accessible to the rest of the kitchen. This unit is chock full of storage. Some additional right underneath the entertainment center. Your entertainment receiver, Bluetooth enabled, television. As we move towards the front of the travel trailer, you also have your front door. Right next to it, again, some additional storage with above counter space. And you do have an outlet right up there in case you want to plug anything in right at the door. Next we'll go into the restroom. Pretty decent sized restroom. with the commode area. I'm 6'3", 220 pounds. I have plenty of shoulder room and plenty of leg room. The shower area. Again, I am 6'3", and I have plenty of height inside of the shower, especially with the skylight. Of course, when I come close to it, that's gonna your sink, additional storage underneath, as well as medicine cabinet storage. Very handy outlet. And this is a pass-through into your bedroom. Your master queen being on a slide out, giving you a lot of walk around room. But in addition, you have storage above your bed, storage below your bed, convenient outlets, one right down here, and then another set right here, as well as USBs and 12 volt. As you can see, some cubby storage for linens. Decently sized master closet. That's one half. Second half. And across from your bed, you do have your entertainment center and hutch for clothing. Television and cable connections, and more storage. Again, this is the 2015 Keystone Superlight Outback 277RL. Thank you for watching. Please let me know if you have any additional questions or if there are any areas that I missed that you would like some clarification on.